Hello students. Now exercise 1. First one. Is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? The given sides, it is form a triangle or not? First one 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Given sides of a triangle AB equal to 3 centimeters, BC equal to 4 centimeters, CA equal to 5 centimeters. So we know that sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Means AB plus BC equal to 3 plus 4 equal to 7. 7 is greater than 5. This is true. Next, second one, BC plus CA equal to 4 plus 5. We get 9. 9 is greater than 3. Means BC plus CA is greater than AB. Second condition, true. Next, third one, AB plus CA equal to, AB means 3, CA 5 equal to 5 plus 3, 8. 8 is greater than 4. This also satisfied. Means sum of the lengths of two sides is greater than the third side. Sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Is satisfied. Means the triangle is possible. The triangle is possible. Second question, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Means take three measurements. A equal to 6 centimeters. Means small a take small b equal to 6 centimeters. Small c equal to 6 centimeters. Here three are same measurement. We know that sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Means a plus b is greater than c. That means 6 plus 6 is greater than 6. 6 plus 6 means 12. 12 is greater than 6. This is true. Like that, here all are same measure. B plus C is greater than A. This also we get 12 is greater than 6. Next condition. B plus C is greater than A. This also true. Next. A plus C is greater than B. Third condition also satisfied. Why? Because these all are three same measurement, same number. So it is possible to triangle. It is possible triangle. Next, third question. Four centimeters, 4 centimeters and 8 centimeters. AB, BC, CA. Otherwise, take small a 4 centimeters, small b 4 centimeters, small c 8 centimeters. AC, BC, CA. Like. Otherwise, take small a, small b, small c. We know that sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Means a plus b is greater than c. A means 4, b means 4. 4 plus 4 is greater than c. C means 8. Here 4 plus 4, 8. 8 is greater than 8. This is false. Means 8 is not greater than 8. This is false. Next, b plus c is greater than a. B means 4, C means 8 is greater than 4. 4 plus 8, 12 is greater than 4. So this is true. So whatever it is, one condition is not satisfied. This is not possible to triangle. So another one also, see here, C plus A is greater than B. C means 8 plus A means 4 is greater than B means 4. 8 plus 4, 12 is greater than 4. 2 satisfied. But third one is not satisfied. It is not possible to a triangle. It is not possible to construct a triangle. Not possible to triangle. Fourth question, 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 7 centimeters. AB equal to 3 centimeters, BC 5 centimeters, next CA 7 centimeters. AB take small c, BC take small a, CA take small b, like this. So we know that sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Means C plus A is greater than B. C plus A. AB plus BC is greater than CA. Like C plus A. 3 plus 5 is greater than B. B means, small b means 7. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 is greater than 7. This is satisfy one condition. Next, second one, A plus B is greater than C. A plus B, small a, small b. 5 plus 7 is greater than 3. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 is greater than 3. 12 is greater than 3 is satisfied. Next, last condition, C plus B is greater than A. C means 3 plus B means 7 is greater than A. Small a means 5 centimeters. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 is greater than 5. This also satisfied. So it is possible to triangle. Triangle is possible. Triangle is possible. Got it? Now second exercise. First one. In triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of BC. This is ABC triangle. ABC triangle. D is the midpoint of BC. Here D is midpoint of BC. See this diagram. About this, see first question. AD is the, so what is called here AD? AD is median. That is AD is midpoint. So this is median. AD is median. Next, AE is the, so median near here perpendicular symbol is there. Perpendicular bisector. Here perpendicular means altitude. AE is called altitude. Next. Second question. Name the triangle in which the two altitudes of a triangle are two of its sides. Means two altitudes of a triangle, two of its sides. Two altitudes having two sides. Like that, which type of triangle? Right angle triangle. Answer, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Third question. Does a median always lies in the interior of a triangle? So, altitude interior of the triangle lies in this median. Always lies in interior of the triangle. Median means from opposite vertex to opposite side of the another one. Means like this. For example, this is one of the triangle. Median means what? From vertex to opposite side. Joining line segment is called a median. Like that, always interior of the triangle. It is correct only. Yes. Like that, having three medians of a triangle. Triangle having three medians. So whatever it is, median always lies in interior of the triangle. It is correct only. Next, does an altitude always lies in the interior of a triangle? So no. Why? Because one of the normal triangle altitude interior, but obtuse angle triangle outside of the triangle. So it is no. Median interior of the triangles only. Altitude outside of the triangle also is there for obtuse angle triangle. Next, fifth question. Write the side opposite to vertex y in XYZ. So XYZ, draw the one of the triangle. Here XYZ, draw the triangle. And given condition, side opposite to vertex y is xz. Means like that, xyz. xyz. Here y is opposite side to. Y is opposite side to xz. So this is one of the triangle. Next, second one. Write the angle opposite to side PQ. Opposite side PQ in triangle PQR. First draw PQR triangle. PQR. PQR. In that, angle opposite side to PQ. PQ opposite what? R. PQ opposite side angle R. So this answer R. This XYZ Y opposite side XZ. Here XZ. Y opposite side XZ. Second one, opposite side angle. This angle they given right opposite side. Here angle side they given angle asking. PQ opposite angle. PQ opposite angle R. Means angle R answer. Next, third one. Write the vertex opposite to side AC in triangle ABE. Opposite vertex of AC. Draw first ABC triangle. This is ABC triangle. Opposite vertex AC opposite B. B is the vertex of answer here. This is B is answer. Here AC opposite vertex B. Opposite angle also angle B. They asking just vertex. Vertex means B. B is answer.